Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect any custom domain to Lovable AI. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. And this will help you fully customize your AI project's web address for branding or client's project. So after logging into your Lovable AI, what you will do is go to your profile, and then basically you will just have to look for settings, and then make sure that you have the plan or the full version or the full access to the Lovable AI so that you will be able to actually see add custom domains feature. And then after clicking custom domains, you will just have to click add domain and type your domain name. And after that, you will just have to log into your domain provider and update the DNS records as Lovable AI instructs. It is either CNAME or a record, and then you will just have to return to your Lovable AI and click verify domain. And finally, test the domain by opening it in a browser to ensure that your AI project loads correctly. And that's basically just it. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.